So, hello guys, I am your technical solver Ayush Bansore, and it is not my account. And I request you to, if you like it video, like it. And if you have any question, then comment in my father's account. It is not my account. And please subscribe my channel. So today I am going to show you about how to fix the screen overloaded problem forever. For example, that is the most of the frustration problem. So, for example, see here GOD with 13 permission. So for this you want to do an installation of an app that I am going to show you. That for that app you then download from it Play Store. It's a very small app. And its name is Install Button Unlocker. So here I type Install Button Unlocker. So personally, I installed it app, and easy to what this app help you to solve the problem. So here it is. So for that, first the app will ask to on this install button, unlocker button. So that will ask, and then you want to go to setting, and then you want to go to accessibility, click on there, and here is the option install button unlocker. On that, and you then have the permission. For example, I am showing you. So here is my application manager. Okay, so I am showing a tempo of GeoTV. If your any app not working, you then try it. So I go to GeoTV. Then here you then see rotation and phone. But this app have more permission that I show. So for that, if you click on direct, so it will allow. But if you not have an install button unlocker, it will not allow. Oh, what is this? Wait a second, guys. Let me check. So that doesn't matter. The storage also it will work. So like it, guys, you then solve your screen overloaded problem forever. And if you still not understand this video, comment in my comment box. But I already said earlier in this video, it is not my personal account, it is my father's account, and this is my first YouTube video. So after some day, I will make more videos if I can without my stool idea. But if you like this video, then like, and if you have any doubt, then comment. And please subscribe my channel. Say it out, Bansore. Thank you.